Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to follow someone on Spotify. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Spotify on your device. There are two ways to follow someone on Spotify. For the first method, you need to know the person's name or username on Spotify. If you have their name or username, tap Search and enter the name on the search bar. Once the results are shown, tap on your friend's profile and tap Follow. You will now be able to see their last song played on your friend activity list. For the second method, go to your Spotify homepage and tap the Add Friend icon at the top right corner. Here, tap the Add icon at the right of the person's username. So that's how you follow someone on Spotify. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.